How to make appeal video for YouTube monetization. I'm going to give you all you need, everything that you need to know, how to make your video and then appeal for the YouTube monetization, which was rejected when you apply it. Okay, so when you look here, you see that you have a choice to appeal if you think that they made a mistake. Okay, so this is the option one that they have given to you. They have given you the option to appeal and then tell them why you think that they should accept you into the monetization. And then you have to do it within the first 2 weeks, okay? And then they are going to get back to you within 14 days, okay? All I have to do is just click on start appeal. And then these are the basic requirements that you have to follow, okay? Before submitting the appeal, you have to make sure that you haven't deleted any of your videos since you got rejected into the YouTube partnership program, okay? And then they are going to take a look at your video and then review it and get back to you. These are the instructions. You have to create a video for your appeal, okay? That's the first thing that you have to do. And then the video have to follow all these requirements, okay? It has to have a language, and then the language that is supported are these languages: English, Arabic, Chinese, and all that have to make it within these languages, okay? The next thing to do is that you have to keep your video under 5 minutes. Make sure that it is not longer than 5 minutes, because if it is, they are not going to watch it. And then the next thing is that you have to show your channel URL within the first 30 seconds of your video, okay? So it is like in the beginning of the video, just introduce yourself and then show your channel URL, okay? And then what you have to do is that you have to state exactly the mistake that you are appealing for. If it is a reuse content, say directly that this is a reuse content, that they are saying that they didn't accept your channel, and then you make it clear that your whole channel is not a reuse content, it does not have a reuse content and all that, okay? And then you have to show them how you edit your videos, anything about how you are able to edit your videos and then produce good content, quality content. Just show them the editing software that you are using. And then what you have to do is that you have to show them a visual example of how you edit your videos, okay? How you come up with your video ideas, everything that helps you to come out with a video idea, edit it, cast it, and then post it on your platform. They just want to know that you are the actual person behind the video. You are actually the one doing it, okay? That is it. And then make sure that you submit the video within the time they have given to you. Else, when you do it, they are not going to accept it, okay? And then what you have to know is that you have to upload the video just like how you upload any video on your channel, but here you are not going to publish it. You are going to select unlisted, okay? Unlisted videos, when somebody is having the link, the person can watch it, okay? And what you have to do is to post the link into this box and then you submit it. So how do you make the video? You just sit down just like how you create any other video on your channel, and then you upload it just like how you upload any other video on your channel, okay? Just sit down, video it, and then say everything that they wanted you to say, and then show every screen that they want you to show. Then you upload it on your channel. So after you finish uploading it on your channel, what you have to do is that you don't have to title it, you don't have to give any description, you don't have to add any tags to it, okay? And then what you have to do is that you have to select it is not made for kids, okay? So after selecting it's not made for kids, the next thing that you have to do is to just post it, okay? And then over here, it is important to select unlisted. So when you select unlisted, it is not going to be published. But if somebody is having the link of the video, the person can watch the video from your channel, okay? So what you are going to do next after putting it on the unlisted is that you have to copy the URL. So as you can see here, you can copy it directly from this site, and then after copying it, you just have to save it, okay? So it will be there, and then you can also go to the content and then see that it is over here. And then when you look at the three dots, okay, the three dots, then you click on it, you can get a shareable link from that place as well. So when you have the shareable link, what you are going to do, you are going to paste the URL here, and then what you have to do is to just submit it. So when you are recording the video, it is just like how you record any other video and then you post on your channel. Just sit, relax, and say everything they want you to say. So thank you for watching this video.